People often wonder how they can choose an endodontist. An endodontist is a root canal specialist. Well, I think the first thing, you should pick someone who has experience. You should pick someone who is gentle, who's supportive, who's understanding, and is going to make this experience a wonderful, supportive experience that is pain-free, that is going to be thorough, to make sure that the treatment is long-lasting and that the investment is worthwhile. Many people wonder what endodontics is. Endodontics is popularly known as root canal therapy, and what we do is people who have dental pain, oral pain, come to us for diagnosis in terms of what the problem is. We're experts in diagnosing dental pain, oral pain, and we determine what the problem is, and very efficiently, gently, thoroughly, we take care of the problem. General dentists are trained in basic dentistry. Endodontists receive 3 more years of additional training. In addition to that, that's all they do. They specialize in doing root canal therapy and surgery. And someone who does only that is going to be better, especially since they're better trained with 3 more years. I once saw an introduction to a textbook that said 1,000 cases incorrectly done does not constitute experience. So experience is very important, but only experience that is done with proper training. So the person who is trained properly, who's done many thousands of these, is going to be far better than someone who only does it occasionally and has not had the same concentrated training. People sometimes ask, what are the chances of success if I have this treatment done? Well, when root canal therapy is done by a specialist, the chance of success is about 97%. That chance of success is even greater than the success of implants. When a specialist does the treatment, when an endodontist does the treatment, the chance of success is extremely high. That's very, very important. Much higher even than when a general dentist does the treatment, which is only about 80 or 85%. I think it's important in today's age, when medicine has become very complicated and very sophisticated, to make sure that you go to the best person possible, and that's the specialist. Someone who's had years of training, years of extra specialized training, is going to do a much better job for you. And I think it's important to go to someone who's not only trained well, who's experienced, who's supportive, who's gentle and thorough, so that the treatment that you invest in will be a treatment that will last a lifetime. Some people think that if they go to a general dentist, that the treatment may be less expensive. My grandfather used to say, sometimes cheap is expensive. And when it comes to your health, you don't want the cheapest treatment, you want the best treatment. And that's the most important thing.